In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox error code 524. So the first step is to go to roblox.com. So you just have to log in into your Roblox account on a browser, and then after that you just have to go to settings in the top right corner. Now, after that, what we're gonna have to do is simply go to privacy and content restrictions. And then from here, what we're gonna have to do is simply click on visibility and private servers, and then private servers. And from here, what we're gonna have to do is simply choose everyone. Now, if you want, we can also choose only connections. So basically, this is who can add you as a member of their private server. Then after that, we just have to go back and then go to content maturity. From here, we just have to play with the settings, so we can set minimal or mid. But in order to be able to change the settings from here, you're gonna have to go to account info and then make sure that you are 18 years old plus. So if you are underage, you won't be able to change those settings without a parent. So basically that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.